summertime and this calls for camping. Dito nga pala kami nag-camping sa Alibihaban Island. Alibihaban is a small island located in the province of San Andres, Quezon. Isa ito sa emerging tourist destination because of its vast white sand beaches and clear turquoise water. Pagdating namin sa isla, we immediately set up our tent and all our gears. This was one of our most anticipated camping adventure, so we made sure that we bring everything that we needed. Sa totoo lang, medyo mainit na nung time na nagsiset up kami. Pero okay lang because yun naman talaga ang essence of camping, to get out of your comfort zone and experience nature. Then, nag-start na kami mag-prepare for lunch. Nag-ihaw kami ng pork yampo and gumawa ako ng perfect pair na sausawan, ensaladang labanos. Kain tayo! Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the ground. What I love here in Alibihaban Island is the peaceful and quiet time that we had. Sabi nga nila, it's a Persian island. Wala kasing kuryente, walang running water, at wala ding signal. Good morning! So, it's our day 2 in the island. After ko mag-devotion, nag-start na akong gumawa ng coffee to start our day. Ang sarap kayang magkape sa isla, lalo na't napakatahimik at wala kaming ibang kasama. Nag-start na rin akong mag-prepare for our breakfast because it's going to be a busy day today. Every time na magka-camping kami, ganitong almusal yung palagi naming hinahanda. Kain po tayo! After that, nag-start na kaming mag-board sa aming boat for water activities. I was amazed by the beauty of this island. It was rich in mangroves and broad white sand bar beaches. Ang sarap magtampisaw sa tubig at ang linis, tahimik at solo namin yung island. After that, nagpunta naman kami ng diving site. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawawala ang snorkeling and free diving. I never thought na meron palang ganitong kagagandang corals in the province of Quezon. So, we really did enjoy exploring underwater. Talaga namang nakaka-relax at masarap sa pakiramdam. After that, we rented a private floating cottage. Dito na rin kami nagstay hanggang hapon. We loved our stay here. Napakaganda ng dagat at sobrang inviting. While they are playing, nag-start na rin akong mag-prepare for lunch. Kain po tayo! Meron nga palang rooftop deck yung cottage na nirent namin. Grabe, nakakalula, pero ang ganda ng view. The water here is very clear. In fact, you can see all the starfishes from the ocean floor. Sa sobrang linaw ng tubig ay talagang may engganyo kang maligo. It was a blissful and meaningful day indeed. After namin sa mga water activities, we went home to our tent. We scored some fresh tulingan and we cooked it for our dinner. Thank you Lord for our food tonight. Niluto nga pala ni tatay, pinangat na tulingan. Kain tayo. Rise and shine, it's our day 3 in the island. Our day wouldn't be complete without breakfast, so nag-start na ako magluto habang maaga pa. This was our last day in the island. After namin mag-breakfast, we took a walk by the seashore to have a last glimpse of the calm ocean. Then gradually, we started to pack all our camping gears. As I reflect from this camping trip, I realize that life has so many things to offer. Looking at my surroundings, it reminded me of God's goodness in our life. Sometimes, we are too busy looking for more. Pero, nasa paligid lang pala natin lahat ng kailangan natin. How great is our God that He gave us a place to live, an oxygen to breathe, and a body that will appreciate all His creations.